In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sharing set for customer community users in Salesforce. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your Salesforce skills, our guide will walk you through each step with clarity and ease. So let's dive in and get started. First off, we need to head over to the Salesforce homepage. It's always a good starting point when you're setting up something new, as it gives you an overview and access to the necessary tools. Once you're on the Salesforce homepage, you'll want to click on the Quick Settings option. Quick settings not only help streamline your navigation, but also ensure you have all the frequently used options at your fingertips. After opening the quick settings, look for the option to Open Advanced Setup. Advanced Setup gives us deeper access to tweak and create settings, such as sharing sets in more detailed ways. With Advanced Setup open, type Digital Experiences into the search bar. Here's a little tip. Using the search bar can save you time rather than scrolling through the long list to find what you need. Now let's click on Settings once we're in Digital Experiences. This is where we'll dive a little deeper into the sharing settings that affect customer community users. Look for sharing sets from the options available. For those who might be new, sharing sets are mechanisms in Salesforce that enable certain user profiles to have access to records that are associated with an account or contact. It's incredibly useful for ensuring that your community users see only what they need to. Next, we're going to click on New to start creating a new sharing set. As we do this, you'll need to enter a label in the corresponding field. Make sure to choose a label that is descriptive and relevant to the set you're creating, which will help you and your team easily identify it later. After setting the label, type in your sharing set name. This is typically a straightforward name that corresponds with the users or the structure you're aiming to serve. Next, focus on Select Profiles. This option is vital as it determines which user profiles will be affected by this sharing set. By selecting the correct profiles, you ensure that access is granted appropriately. Now, choose the available profiles you'd like to include. Including the right profiles is crucial for maintaining the integrity and efficiency of your Salesforce ecosystem. Once you've selected the desired profiles, click Add to include them in your sharing set. Moving on, let's focus on Select Objects. This choice lets you specify which objects within Salesforce users can access under the designated profiles. Choose the available objects that align with the sharing needs of your community users and click Add to include them. Finally, the last couple of steps involve configuring the access. By clicking on Configure Access, you can set up specific access levels for the objects you've selected. Once you're satisfied with the configurations, click Save to finalize your new sharing set. Saving these settings ensures that your community users have the appropriate access to perform their roles effectively. And there you have it. Your sharing set is now ready for use. By following these steps, you've enabled secure and tailored access for your customer community users. Happy Salesforce managing!